The seated leg extension is an exercise to train the quadriceps muscles in isolation. These are the muscles along the front of your thighs, and they're responsible for extending your knee. You don't need any equipment for this exercise besides a sturdy chair or bench. But if you want to add additional resistance, you can also add a Superband resistance band for this exercise. Now, to get started, have a seat on the bench, making sure that your full thigh of one side leg is on the bench with the back of the knee resting right at the edge. Feel free to take your other leg out to the side to maintain your balance here. Now extend the leg that's on the bench, contracting your quadriceps on the front of your thighs until your leg is completely straight, with your toes up towards the ceiling, and then lower back down with control. Spend about 2 seconds bringing your leg up and then 2 seconds on the way back down. If you rest your hand on your thighs, you should feel your quadriceps engaging as you straighten out your leg. One time up and back down is 1 repetition on one side. Make sure to perform this exercise on both sides to stay even. If you would like to give yourself a little bit more challenge in this exercise, you can loop a Superband up underneath or around the leg of your bench. Anchor one side of the Superband with your hands and hook the other side around your foot, about midfoot. Perform the exercise like this using the bench as an anchor and pulling the band tight to adjust the resistance.